Dear student, today I will discuss about the properties of a concave mirror. A concave mirror has its silver part bulge outward and the reflecting surface is concave. It means depressed. Now I would like to discuss about some terms related to concave mirror. Pole. Pole, simply P. Pole is the middlemost part of the concave mirror. Center of curvature. Center of curvature. Or C. Actually, center of curvature is the center of the sphere of which this concave mirror is made up of. जिस स्फीयर का ये बना होता है उसके सेंटर को ही आप बोलेंगे सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. थर्ड पॉइंट, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर. रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर पीसी और आर. The distance between pole and the center of curvature is called radius of curvature. Simply, we can define the radius of curvature as the radius of the sphere of which this concave mirror is made up of which this mirror is made up of. The next point I would like to discuss the principal axis. Principal axis. The line joining the pole and center of curvature is known as principal axis, or an imaginary line assumed passing through pole and center of curvature is known as principal axis. Now the fourth point is focus. Focus or is capital F. Generally, focus point lies in between pole and center of curvature. When a parallel beam of ray incident on the concave mirror, then after reflection it passes through a point on the principal axis. This point is known as focus point. Now, the sixth point I would like to discuss is focal length, small f. Focal length is the distance between pole and the focus. Pole and focus. Pole and focus. It means PF. Considering these points, we can conclude in pair. Suppose M1, M2 is a concave mirror and the middlemost point P is the pole. This is principal axis. This point is focus. This point is center of curvature. Hence, radius of curvature equal to R. Focal length equal to P of here R is equal to radius of curvature. F is equal to focal length. P of radius of curvature P C. Okay.